Welcome to our beginner's guide to starting web development. Whether you're a complete novice or looking to brush up on your skills, this step-by-step tutorial will help you embark on your journey into the world of web development. From crafting immersive user experiences to building dynamic web applications, the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. But where do you begin? Fear not, for we're here to guide you step-by-step through the labyrinth of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the triumvirate that forms the cornerstone of web development. 1. Introduction to HTML. HTML, or HyperText Markup Language, is the backbone of web development, providing the structure for web pages. It uses tags to define elements such as headings, paragraphs, links, and images, allowing browsers to interpret and display content correctly. Understanding HTML is essential for creating well-organized and semantically meaningful web pages. 2. Understanding CSS. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, complements HTML by controlling the visual presentation of web pages. CSS selectors target HTML elements to apply styles such as colors, fonts, margins, and layouts. By separating content, HTML, from presentation, CSS, developers can create visually appealing and consistent designs across their websites. 3. Mastering JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language that adds interactivity and functionality to web pages. It enables tasks such as form validation, animations, DOM manipulation, and handling user events like clicks and keyboard input. Learning JavaScript empowers developers to create engaging and responsive web experiences for users. 4. Choosing development tools. Text editors and integrated development environments, IDEs, provide essential features for writing and managing code. Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom are popular choices, offering syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging capabilities. Version control systems like Git help track changes to code, facilitate collaboration, and enable rollback to previous versions if needed. 5. Learning front-end frameworks. Front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js streamline the development of complex user interfaces. They offer reusable components, state management, and routing capabilities, enhancing productivity and maintainability. Choosing the right framework depends on factors such as project requirements, community support, and personal preferences. 6. Embracing responsive design. Responsive design ensures that websites adapt gracefully to different screen sizes and devices, providing a seamless user experience. Media queries allow developers to apply different styles based on viewport dimensions, optimizing layout and content for desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Flexible grids and fluid layouts enable designs to scale proportionally, maintaining readability and usability across devices. 7. Exploring backend development. Backend development involves server-side programming and database management to handle data processing and storage. Technologies like Node.js, Django, and Ruby on Rails enable developers to build robust backend systems, manage user authentication, and interact with databases. Backend development complements front-end skills, allowing developers to create full-stack web applications with dynamic functionality. 8. Understanding databases. Databases store and manage structured data, providing a reliable foundation for web applications to retrieve and manipulate information. SQL, Structured Query Language, is a standard language for interacting with relational databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL, used for tasks such as querying, inserting, updating, and deleting data. NoSQL databases like MongoDB offer flexible schemas and scalability advantages for handling diverse data types and high-volume workloads. 9. Continuous learning and practice. Web development is a dynamic field that constantly evolves with new technologies and best practices. Regular coding practice, participation in online communities, and ongoing learning through tutorials, courses, and documentation are essential for skill improvement. Building projects, experimenting with different technologies, and seeking feedback from peers help developers stay motivated and grow their expertise over time. By understanding these concepts in depth, aspiring web developers can lay a solid foundation for their journey into the fascinating world of web development. As you embark on your web development journey, remember to take it one step at a time. Whether you're crafting the structure with HTML, adding style with CSS, or enhancing functionality with JavaScript, each skill you acquire brings you closer to becoming a proficient web developer. So, roll up your sleeves, dive into coding, and let your creativity flourish in the vast landscape of web development.